everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. We're so happy you're here today.
Today, we have a really useful topic for you.
Yes, we're talking about 10 common English mistakes and how to fix them.
These are mistakes that many English learners make. Even native speakers sometimes make them.
Don't worry, making mistakes is normal. It's part of learning.
Exactly. And today, we'll help you fix them, one by one.
So, if you're learning English, this episode is for you.
Before we start, we want to ask you something.
If you enjoy our podcast, please hit the subscribe button. It really helps us.
And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends who are learning English too.
Okay, let's start with mistake number 1.
Mike, do you ever feel bored?
Oh yes, sometimes I feel bored on Sunday afternoons.
Me too, but many learners say, I am boring instead of I am bored.
Right, that's a big mistake. Sarah, can you explain?
Sure, if you say, I am boring, it means you are not interesting. You make other people feel bored.
Exactly. But if you say, I am bored, it means you feel bored. Nothing is interesting right now.
So the correct way is, I am bored today.
Not, I am boring today.
For example, this movie is boring. I am bored.
The movie is boring. You are bored. Got it?
This works with other feelings too, like interested and interesting.
Yes, I am interested in music. Or, this book is interesting.
Okay, mistake number 2. Sarah, do you like funny movies?
Yes, I love funny movies. They make me laugh.
Good. Now, many learners confuse fun and funny.
That's true. They sound similar, but they're different.
Funny means something makes you laugh, like a joke or a comedy movie.
Yes, for example, that comedian is funny. He tells funny jokes.
But fun means something is enjoyable. You have a good time.
Right. Yesterday was fun. We played games and laughed.
So you can say, the party was fun. My friend told a funny story.
The party equals fun. The story equals funny.
Easy, right?
Mistake number 3. This one is tricky. Make versus do.
Oh, I remember. This was hard for me too.
Really? You had trouble with this?
Yes, because in some languages, it's the same word.
True, but in English we use them differently.
Make is when you create something, like make a cake or make a plan.
Exactly. I make breakfast every morning.
And do is for actions and activities, like do homework or do exercise.
Right. I do my homework after dinner.
So you can't say, I do a cake.
No, that sounds strange. You make a cake.
And you can't say, I make homework.
Nope, you do homework.
Here are some common ones. Make a mistake, make a decision, make money.
And do your best, do the laundry, do the dishes.
Sometimes you just have to memorize them.
Yes, but with practice, it becomes natural.
Mistake number 4. Sarah, how are you today?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good too. Wait, should we say I'm well?
Actually, both are okay when someone asks, how are you?
But they're different in other situations.
Yes, good is an adjective. It describes a noun.
For example, this is a good book, or she is a good teacher.
And well is an adverb. It describes how you do something.
Right. She speaks English well, or he plays piano well.
So you can't say she speaks English good.
No, that's incorrect. You must say she speaks English well.
But you can say she is good at English.
Yes, because there we use good as an adjective.
It sounds complicated, but just remember, good equals describes things. Well equals describes actions.
Practice makes perfect.
Number 5. This one is interesting. Overusing the word actually.
Oh, I hear this a lot from learners.
Me too. People say actually in every sentence.
Actually, it's not wrong, but actually, it sounds too much.
See? That sounds strange, right?
Yes, actually means in fact or to be honest.
We use it to correct something or add surprising information.
For example, I thought the movie was boring, but actually it was good.
Or, actually, I don't like coffee, I prefer tea.
But you don't need it in every sentence.
Right, just use it when you want to correct or surprise someone.
Not like this. Actually, I woke up. Actually, I ate breakfast. Actually, I went to work.
That's too much.
So use actually carefully.
Mistake number 6. Articles. The word the.
Oh, this is hard for many learners.
Yes, sometimes we need the, sometimes we don't.
Let me give examples. We say, I love music, not I love the music.
Right, because we're talking about music in general.
But we say, the music at the party was loud.
Because we're talking about specific music, the music at that party.
General equals know the. Specific, use the.
Another example. I went to school today.
If you're a student, you don't say, I went to the school.
But if you're visiting a building, you say, I went to the school to see my friend.
This takes practice. Don't worry if you make mistakes.
Just listen to native speakers and notice when they use the.
Number 7. Say versus tell.
Another tricky one.
Yes, the rule is simple, but people forget.
Say doesn't need a person after it. Tell needs a person.
For example, he said hello, or he said that he was tired.
You don't say, he said me hello.
No, that's wrong. You say, he told me hello. Or better, he said hello to me.
With tell, you always mention the person. She told me a story.
Right. She told me, or she told him, or she told them.
But with say, you just say the words. She said, I'm happy.
Easy tip. Tell equals person. Say equals words.
Perfect. Mistake number 8. 3 similar words. Look, see, and watch.
Yes, these confuse many people.
But they're different. Look means you direct your eyes at something.
Right. Look at that bird. You choose to look.
See means your eyes receive information. You notice something.
For example, I can see the mountains from my window.
And watch means you look at something for a period of time.
Yes, like watch a movie, or watch TV, or watch a game.
So, look equals quick action, see equals automatic, watch equals for some time.
Let me give a full example. I looked out the window. I saw a cat. I watched it play for 10 minutes.
Perfect example.
Number 9. This is a very common mistake. People say, I am agree.
Oh, yes, I hear this all the time.
It's wrong. You should say, I agree.
Right. Agree is a verb, not an adjective.
So you can't use am before it.
You say, I agree with you, not I am agree with you.
Or I disagree, not I am disagree.
Other examples. I agree with this idea. Do you agree?
Just remember, no am before agree.
Simple. And finally, mistake number 10. People often ask, how to say?
Yes, they say, how to say this in English.
That's not quite natural.
The correct way is, how do you say this in English?
Or, how do I say this in English?
You need do you or do I in the question, not just how to say.
Another way is, what's the word for this in English?
Or simply, how can I say this?
These sound much more natural. Okay, those are 10 common mistakes.
Let's review them quickly.
Number 1, I am bored, not I am boring.
Number 2, fun versus funny.
Number 3, make versus do.
Number 4, good versus well.
Number 5, don't overuse actually.
Number 6, using the correctly.
Number 7, say versus tell.
Number 8, look, see, watch.
Number 9, I agree, not I am agree.
Number 10, how do you say, not how to say.
Did you make any of these mistakes before?
We want to hear from you. Go to the comments right now.
Write one sentence using today's lesson. For example, you can write, I was bored yesterday, so I watched a funny movie.
Or, I agree with you. Making mistakes is part of learning.
Don't be shy. We read all your comments.
And we'll help you if you make a mistake.
Remember, practice makes perfect.
Thank you so much for watching Easy English Podcast today.
We hope this lesson helped you.
Keep practicing, be confident, you're doing great.
Tomorrow we have another episode for you. We'll talk about common phrases for everyday conversation.
You don't want to miss it.
See you tomorrow.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.